It takes a lot of hard work to get your vegetables to grow, and it also takes a lot of hard work to get people in your area to know who you are. You want to be one place a lot, not everywhere a little.
It's a relationship business, and you have to build on that. They're your farm, so treat them a little bit differently. Remember that you're coming from a point of, I'm trying to create relationships here.
NAHREP was founded by a vision by the late Ernie Reyes and co-founder Gary Acosta. With my vision as NAHREP North County San Diego chapter founder, I ask you to carry on the vision as well. It provides you with the tools, the support, and personal growth that you would never even imagine. I would like to welcome the incoming board for the NAHREP North County San Diego chapter. Please welcome incoming President Patricia Villanueva. We're honored and happy and proud to have Patricia Villanueva being installed as president. Congratulations.
I can't tell you how happy I am to be the next president of our chapter. NAHREP to me is the most exciting organization that I have been ever a part of. I love the people. I love its mission. I am looking for a great year. I am looking for your support to be involved. And I hope to make a change and help our fellow members and other agents come together and help each other to make a better community.